guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, actually I wasn't even gonna edit this video. I didn't even know I had this video. Okay, so I found this because I was gonna edit a different video, and I thought, well, most of my footage is here. Most of it, by most of it I mean like mainly the eyes and like part of my face on camera as well, but I didn't do everything. So I thought, well, most of it is in here, and whatever's missing honestly is not like too much where you guys are missing like a big amount of this makeup tutorial, or this was a get ready with me by the looks of it, but I'm editing it to be like a makeup tutorial type of thing. At the beginning of this video, like, you guys are not gonna like hear anything. I don't even know what eyeshadow palettes I was using. I might have been using the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original, you know, because I know there's a new one coming out. So the original Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So I'm sure I was using that palette for like the colors on my crease, my transition colors. And then I went into the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and there I do start telling you what I'm using. And then I went into another Jaclyn Hill palette from the Bold collection, and it's like the purple palette. I'm not sure the name of it, but I went into that one and I did tell you what shade I was using on that one. I hope you guys like this video. Honestly, I don't know if you guys are gonna like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. But yeah, I just thought, why not, you know, just edit it and put it out there, since it is kind of like the perfect Valentine's makeup look, because it's like a pink eye. It's really cute. I like it. Also, the ending is gonna be like sort of abrupt, also because I didn't film an outro, or if I did, I deleted the footage, just like I guess I deleted the intro to this. I'm guessing, because I was talking like right at the beginning, I was talking a lot, but I just don't have that footage that comes before this part that you guys are seeing, and I also don't have the ending, so I basically just have the middle. So that's why I'm here, to explain to you guys this video. I'm sorry I don't make too much sense on this video, but yeah, the next one I will totally make 100% sense. I did not delete any footage. This one was, honestly, it's just, this one is a very old video that I just happened to have. But anyways, now I'm just blobbing. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I'll say bye now because of my abrupt ending, okay? But keep on watching if you want to. So for this part, I'm just putting in La Costa and on my eyelid.
I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one.
I am gonna make it a little bit more intense and spray Fix Plus on my brush just to intensify it.
I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit of like a pink inner corner. I might add a little bit of flamingo.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see.
I don't know how great of an idea that was, but we're gonna keep rolling with it. I'm gonna intensify the outer corner a little bit more. Take the shade right here, Mystic.
My tropical love, I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna be using this Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. I use this Paraíso medium shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in there and apply it onto the skin. This color definitely will show more on someone with light or fair skin, but it doesn't look bad on my medium skin tone. I love it. I am loving this blush. I'm gonna use my Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Amrezy highlight. I love, 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 love this highlighter. It's like the best of both worlds. Dun, dun, dun. I like to bring it to the apples of my cheeks. It's just, I love that. When I smile, it's like, what? Especially in pictures. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna tap it and just sort of blend it in. Okay, I'm sorry. Another product that I'm using from this month's BoxyCharm ahead of time is gonna be this Dose of Colors Lazy Daisy liquid lipstick. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And I'm gonna use it. I'm starving. Lately, I've been loving to do my lower lashes at the end after I've done the setting spray, just because there's like a less risk of getting the mascara to smudge onto your under eyes. So yeah, and then after this, I'm be done.